BatchLine is a modern software tool that makes GxP-regulated manufacturing digital. It's simple to deploy, easy to use and affordable, with a clear return on investment. BatchLine MES offers powerful features to streamline your manufacturing process. Leverage a wide range of process modeling tools for a fully functioning electronic batch record. Track, manage, and control equipment usage automatically with digital logbooks. Automating data capture and processing helps save time, minimize human error, and maintain data integrity, while adhering to regulatory standards such as 21 CFR Part 11 through the use of electronic signatures. Review by exception slashes batch review and approval time in half, as only exceptions need attention. Live dashboards and reports provide real-time insights, giving you the information you need when you need it. MQTT and APIs make integrating with devices, ERP, LIMS, and other systems simple and cost-effective. BatchLine MES delivers real results with its wide range of features. Experience up to 60% reduction in data entry, 50% faster batch review and approval, and 75% faster implementations. With BatchLine MES, you can trust your manufacturing processes are efficient using fully GMP-compliant software. Ready to transform your manufacturing? Contact us today to learn more about BatchLine MES. Visit batchline.com.